Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh. So today in this video, I'm going to share my daily routine. Today daily routines. Okay. So you can understand how you can share daily routine every day. So my friend, today I woke up early in the morning at 7 o'clock. Not 7 o'clock. Sorry, I woke up early in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then today I watched Magic Book session on my mobile. What is magic book? It's a separate question, okay? But I watched that session. Some of you, I think you always know about the magic book, some of not. So I watched that session in the morning time, okay? Then 7 o'clock I went to washroom. I freshened up, okay? I freshened up and I took bath. I took bath. I came out. I brushed my teeth, came out, and I came to my room and I started doing yoga. I did pranayam. Okay. So after 1 hour, I finished pranayam. Then I took rest 5 minutes for 5 minutes. I grabbed my, you can say, then I went, then I walked up to the kitchen and I had breakfast. My mom was there. My mom was also having breakfast. So I had breakfast there. Then I walked down to my room. Okay. I had some supplement. Okay. Then I took a little stroll for a little time outside. Okay. And and my grandmother, she called me that make a bed outside because she's 92-year old, so she wanted to sleep outside under the sky. So I made a bed for my grandmother. Then I came to my room again and I sat on my workplace where I do my work. So I today I sat on my workplace. I started doing work, okay, because these days I'm doing network marketing, online business, and some other online work, okay. Then I kept sitting on my workplace for 4 hours. Then in afternoon time, I went outside, okay, and actually I had too much pressure, okay. I was feeling too much pressure, so I went outside. I peed there in the washroom. Then I walked upstairs to the kitchen, and I was thinking like I should have take something, okay, little bit, but then I thought it's okay, no problem. I didn't want to eat anything. Then my mother said, no. Then 3 o'clock, one of my auntie, like we can say in Hindi, bua, she actually came in our home. So she came in my home, okay, in our home as a guest because our grandmother is 92-year old, so that's why she came for her mother to take care of her mother. Then I walked up to the kitchen and I thought I should put some lentil to boil. So I put some lentil in a pressure cooker to boil, and also I needed some flour. I needed flour for 5%. Okay, and I kept water in the pot, big pot, okay, to warm. So my sister-in-law, she will come, she would come, and she would put rice on that warm water. Okay, I just made her work easy. Okay, then my mom said, if you want to bring, how can I say this? That is fig. If you want to bring fig, raw fig, unripe fig, then you can bring. Then I said okay, because in our village, raw fig, small raw fig, that very tasty vegetable, very tasty vegetable means sabji, is made by that small fig. Okay, So I went, that is nearby my home. Okay, so I went there, I climbed up the tree, and I cut down the small stem of that fig tree. From that fig tree, okay, I collected and I lifted that on my shoulder and I brought home. So then the work would be that we actually had to separate that small unripe fig from the stem. So my bua, my mom and my father, they actually sat outside and they started separating that fig, okay, from the stem. And I just walked up to the kitchen and I actually fried that lentil that I have kept to boil. So then I came to my room and again I sat on my workplace and I started doing work. Okay. So then again I kept sitting on my workplace till 7 o'clock. Then at 7 o'clock I walked up to the kitchen for the dinner. So I had dinner, and after dinner we actually kept sitting nearby the hearth. Okay, hearth means chula. So we kept sitting nearby the hearth because it's a little bit cold weather these days. So we actually we warmed up our hands. Okay, so we kept nearby the hearth and started chanting. Okay, here and there matters. Okay, so we actually kept our past our time. Okay, and 9 o'clock I walked down and I came to my room and I started doing my work again. Then I thought I should share my daily routine with you because today daily routine was a little bit different. So my friend, if you really want to practice English, then you have to start practice daily routine. Just speak daily routine every day. Okay, don't think that it will be same. Okay, doesn't matter if it is same every day, but you have to speak. So daily routine every day. Okay, sometimes you can think little bit different. Okay, so that was my daily routine. So if you really want to speak English like this, then I guarantee you, I ensure you that within 3 months you will start, you will feel that confident actually started coming in your mind about speaking. So that's it for today. Just to start practice of your daily routine, okay, and enhance your speaking skill. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much.